Hello and welcome. Let's solve the question above. It says given that s to the power of 3 minus s minus 1 equals to 0 and s to the power of 4 plus s plus 1 all over s to the power 6 is equals to s to the power of a minus s to the power of b. So we want to look for the value of a and the value of what? B. Alright, so for us to solve this question, we are given that s to the power of 3 minus s minus 1 is equals to what? 0. So the first thing I'm going to do here is to make s to the power of 3 the subject of the formula here. So it means s to the power of 3 will be equals to s plus 1. So if a is equals to b, b is also equals to what? A. So s plus 1 is also equals to what? S to the power of what? 3. And from this given equation, we have s to the power of 4. Let's call this equation number 1. Alright, so s to the power of 4 plus s plus 1 all over what? All over s to the power of 6 is equals to s to the power of a minus s to the power of b. Alright, so we've just established that s plus 1 is equals to what? S to the power of 3. So we are going to replace s plus 1 here with what? S to the power of 3. So we are going to have s to the power of 4 plus s to the power of 3 all over s to the power of 6 to be equals to s to the power of a minus s to the power of b. Alright, so let's factor out x to the power of 3. So we factor out x to the power of 3, will be left with s to the power of what? F to the power of 1 plus 1 all over what? All over s to the power of 6, which is equals to what? S to the power of a minus s to the power of b. Alright, so if you look at this, this can go with what? This, then we are going to be left with what? We are going to be left with s to the power of 3. So again, we are going to have s plus 1 all over what? S to the power of 3 to be equals to s to the power of a minus s to the power of b. Alright, we established before that s plus 1 is what? S to the power of 3. So it means that here we can say that s to the power of 3 all over x to the power of 3 will be equals to s to the power of a minus s to the power of b. Alright, so this we go with this. So we are going to have 1. I'm going to have 1 to be equals to s to the power of a minus s to the power of b. Alright, so here we have 1. Alright, let's come back to this equation number 1. If we decide to make 1 the subject of the formula here, we are going to have it as alright, so let's make 1 the subject there. So we are going to have s to the power of 3 minus s equals to what? Equals to 1. So let's call this equation number 2. Alright, so 1 is equals to what? S to the power of 3 minus what? S. So let's replace our 1 with s to the power of 3 minus s will be equals to x to the power of a minus s to the power of b. So if we compare the left hand side with the right hand side, we are going to say that s to the power of 3 is equals to s to the power of a. Then if you look at this, they are of the same base, so this will go with this. Then a is equals to what? 3. So here we can say that negative s is equals to negative s to the power of b. So this one is to the power of 1. Negative s will go with negative s, then b will be equals to what? B is equals to what? 1. So we can conclude that a is equals to 3 and b is equals to 1. So I hope you've learned a new trick on how to resolve this question. Thank you.